What's up, YouTube? My name's Nelson Aguilar, and I'm one of the co-founders of Mynt Ledgers, and we provide accounting assistance to not just small business owners, but to the average American, right? Our services include three pillars. It's monthly bookkeeping services, tax preparations, both personal and businesses, and tax strategy for those who want to lower their taxable liabilities. A little bit about me. I've been an accountant for 14 years now, 12 years of which I worked in corporate America for international companies who earn millions or if not billions of dollars in their right sectors. And over the course of my career, I've learned how these businesses are running businesses effectively, how they're generating money, and how they're saving money on taxes. And so, with all this knowledge, I want to help you. I want to help the community here on doing those three things effectively. So if you find that to be rewarding and you want to learn more on how that's done, please subscribe to my channel and you'll follow all my content and it'll surely help you be a better business owner or prepare for filing your taxes effectively. All right. So with that being said, let's talk about the services that we provide to our clients. So, our first service is our monthly bookkeeping service. So, if you run a business, no matter how big or small, no matter if you're a product or retail store, if you're a service-based business, you need bookkeeping. It's very important that you have a good keeping it's very important that you have a good bookkeeping in place. And it doesn't matter if you do this on paper or via Excel or if you have QuickBooks, you need a good sound system, right? And so your business is only as good as the financials behind it. And so if you're not sure how to do your bookkeeping, find somebody that does. If you don't know of anyone, we're here to support you. Okay. So that the second reason why bookkeeping is important is because you want to remain compliant. And the IRS regulates that it states that every business should have bookkeeping, no matter its size. And generally, you want to have that support. You want to have well organized records. You want to make sure that you have everything organized because you just don't know when you're going to rely on these records to show the support. For example, you may have a vendor who you're consistently working with and saying, hey, we didn't receive your payment, all right? And you know that not to be true because you made that payment last month. Well, good record keeping is going to help you support that and shut down that claim from that vendor. So please, if you have a small business, make sure you have good record keeping. We also provide business returns and personal returns, tax preparation. Okay. And if you're a business owner, this is why bookkeeping is important because it is through your bookkeeping that we're going to be able to take all those deductions. We're going to organize all your expenses, all your income, and make sure that everything ties out at the end of the month so that at the end of the year, we can utilize and we can use those financials to prepare your business taxes. If you're not sure how to do your bookkeeping and you're doing it yourself, you're a weekend warrior and you're plugging away, you might be missing out on some credits that you're not really taking into account and you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Or maybe you're paying more on taxes than you need to be. So, just to be clear, tax preparation isn't the point in time for you to save money on taxes. That ship has sailed at that particular time. Tax preparation is when your tax preparer is going to compute all the data that you've provided with to him or her via the documents that were supported to you by your employer or by your business's activity. If you want to reduce the amount of money you pay in taxes, this is where the third service comes into play, and that is tax strategy. After paying your fair share of taxes, if you feel you've paid more than you should have, then you may be in need of our tax strategies. Tax strategies like paying your kids out of your business or using the Augusta rule to lease your personal space to hold a business conference for your customers, your colleagues, employees. There's different ways that we can get creative so that you can run your business effectively while keeping the money in your pocket and out of the IRS's. If you found this content helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and share with a friend. I'm sure there's other people out there that need our assistance and our help, even if it's just for the content that we put out on YouTube. And if you feel you need any of these three services, we'll be more than happy to assist you. Click the link below, and we'll be able to get you started with a discovery call, no cost to you, and we can discuss if we're the right fit for one another. Thanks.